Okay, so 3 basic areas of the house. So you can see, like, you have the master bedroom over here. You have a bedroom. So, like, this is 1/3 of the house. The living space is 1/3 of the house, and then the garage, storage, kitchen area. That's the service. That is another third of the house. You should always consider people with special needs when possible. There's like a whole nother area to this. We don't really have the time to go into it, but people, more and more are living longer and longer. So people with special needs, as far as like even just the elderly, make up a big population. You should design for that. Bigger doorways, less steep walkways, single level living, things like that. Here's something, a design in CAD, so like our computer software, something that hopefully towards the end of the class, this is like how nice and elegant we'll be able to make our bathrooms when we're doing with our program. Alright, so sleeping area comprises about 1/3 of the house, includes the bedrooms, bathrooms, dressing rooms, nurseries. Normally located in a quiet area of the house, should have a south-southwest orientation. That last little bit you don't have to worry about. Again, that has to do with like, which way the sun rises and sets. Which way does the sun rise? Anybody? What was it? Rise in the east, sets in the west. So by putting your house, your bedrooms at the south-southwest, that just simply means like you don't have to worry about the sunlight coming and going in and out of your house, because usually when you're in a bedroom, all you're supposed to be doing is sleeping, right? So you don't want it to be bright. You don't want to have to worry about the sunlight either in the morning or the evening. But you can break that rule. Some people like to wake up to the sun, light coming through the windows. Sometimes people like having a little bit extra sunlight in their bedrooms in the evening. So all of these things can be broken for certain reasons, so don't ever think you can't. Houses are usually categorized by the number of bedrooms, right? So if you're looking up a house online, or if you're going to buy a house, you don't say, I want a house with a living room, a kitchen, and a utility room, right? Because those aren't things that usually change in a house. They're usually always there. Bedrooms and bathrooms are the things that change most. So a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a 4-bedroom, 1-bath, 4-bedroom, 4-bath. So that is how you categorize a house, is based off of how many bedrooms and bathrooms that it has. Obviously, there are other things you would want on your wish list, whether that is an extra rec room, a finished basement, a special purpose room, just different things inside of the house that are not as, controversy as bedrooms and bathrooms. Everybody needs a bedroom and a bathroom, right? So you have to have those. Obviously, the number of people in the house determines how big the house should be. The more kids and the more people, obviously the more bedrooms and bathrooms you should have. A 1-bedroom house, very difficult to sell. The 3-bedroom house is the most popular. So if we were to take, a survey of all the students in the school and ask them, like, what is their situation at home as far as like how many bedrooms and baths, I guarantee you at least 60% would be 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Now again, there are always those outliers where it's like 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, but for the most part, 3-bedroom, 2-bath is the staple that you want to go by. So you want to personalize your bedroom, so they are like individual per person. Like my bedroom would be different than your bedroom's different than a brother or sister, but different than mom and dad. Your decor, your layout, everything that goes inside is usually very personalized when it comes to bedrooms. The style of the bedroom, as far as like the shape, doesn't change too much from time to time. You could add some little like, built-ins or walkways or, different things to a bedroom, but for the most part it's usually like a square or rectangle, but it's what you do inside that makes the difference. When we have our overall floor plans, you always want to try to add an extra bedroom when possible, obviously for like guests or anything else. Bedrooms should be grouped together in a separate wing of the house if possible. It's just, you know, makes sense, you know what I mean, to have like the quiet area, like, but sometimes you have a split bedroom plan where like the master bedroom is somewhere else in the house, so the parents have more privacy, you have more privacy. You should place bedrooms by bathrooms as well. That should go without saying. Obviously, like your bedroom, bathroom, you know, you should have like one bedroom and one bathroom per person, right? So if you can. So when we're designing in here, I know that isn't always the case. It's hard, you know, if you have like 4 kids to have, you know, 5 bedroom, 5 bath house for like, you know, one for mom and dad and then one for each of the kid. That's, you know, sometimes very uneconomical. So sharing a bathroom isn't the end of the world. And we can go over in a little bit, you know, different designs for sharing bedrooms and bathrooms. So again, here, just a layout. So you have a bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. You can see like these 3 bedrooms all use this bathroom. The bedroom 1 looks to be the master. It has its own bedroom, bathroom combo. All right, here's some sizes. So these are the things you need to, you know, focus on the most. A small bedroom. This is really, really small. 9 by 11. This has the bare essentials in it. I mean, so these little lines right here represent a closet. You don't have to draw a closet like this. Just draw a single line going across to represent the shelf. You know, that is your closet. You have a door that comes in. There's not like, could you imagine trying to get in that room? Like, look at how much space you have. It's like super cramped. This is very small. This would be more considered like maybe even just a nursery or something like that. Here's an average size. This would be more what I would think that you should all draw. So an average bedroom, about 125 to 175 square feet. Plenty of room for a double-sized bed, you know, twin, queen, king, something like that. A large bedroom. The large bedroom usually is your master bedroom, which has walk-in closets or has, you know, his and her, you know, closets in there. Those are always a nice thing to have. A closet right here for maybe putting your linens, like your towels, washcloths, you know, bathroom essentials, things like that. Then you have a separate area right here for the toilet and sink. So somebody could be in here getting a shower. Somebody could be using this area. There's a king size bed, a window. So think about the layout a little bit. Think about what you want to put in there, what you need in there when you're designing your bedrooms. Bedroom furniture, obviously, like I said before, directly related to your personality and the size of your room. If you have a small bedroom, don't put a king size bed in there. It just won't feel right. Here are your symbols. Pretty simple, right? You have some squares and rectangles. You have a single bed, a double bed. There's more out there if you need to add anything different from this. And we're going to skip through this part. Bedroom furniture. So just make sure that you have enough room to get, you know, in and out of your bedroom. You should have about 3 feet from the edge of the bed to the wall, so you can like walk around to get onto the bed. Okay. Here's a bedroom, walk in, dresser, some clearance to get to here. I mean, how many of you, like, your bed is pushed up against the wall at home? Raise your hand. Okay. That is typically, not always, but typically more of like a teenager thing. You know what I mean? Obviously, you're by yourself, so like you don't need to have room on either side of the bed. But, you know, think about it. Is mom and dad's bed pushed up against the wall? Usually not, right? Usually it's like this, where you have some room because, like, you know, his and her sides. Usually as you get older, you don't have it up against the wall. But, you know, when you're younger, you push it up against the wall to add more room in your bedroom. It's just you hopping in and out. You know, for me, we have Mike's bed pushed up against the wall because he's, you know, crazy when he sleeps. So he's like all over the place. He's a tosser and a turner, and, you know, he's fell out of his bed several times before, and, you know, that's just one extra cushion, you know what I mean, to keep them from falling out of the bed. So there's different reasons for it, but just make sure you have enough room around. All right, closets. Everybody should have a closet in your bedroom. 4 to 6 feet long by 2 feet deep is a good closet size. You can do different closet doors. They could be bifold, sliding, accordion. Nowadays they have those really cool barn doors. You could do something like that. Whatever you want to do, just make sure that you do have closets in your bedroom. It is not considered a bedroom unless you have a closet in the room. Make sure you have windows and doors. This thing, so he's saying like draft should not blow across the bed. I disagree. Some people like the draft across the bed. So that could be like, you know, a personal preference. You know, maybe have the draft across the bed, maybe not. Just make sure that you have at least a window in the bedroom. If you can. I understand that some bedrooms are in a basement or something like that where you can't have a window, but you know, if you can put a window in there, put a window in there. Maybe 2-3 windows, make it feel good when you're in your bedroom. Usually about 2'6" to 3 foot wide doors for bedrooms are good. The door should always swing into the bedroom. That is a true statement. Think about it for your house, at your bedroom. When you go home, see if the door opens into the bedroom. Now again, they don't always, but they should open into the bedroom. Here is a layout if anybody's looking for an idea. You come in, you have a bathroom over here, you have the bedroom over here. Just label some of this stuff so I know that's a nightstand. You don't have to label the closet. I could tell it's a closet. You know, there's stuff over here. So just label it. I know that's a bed. You don't have to put bed on there. Okay? Just be smart about labeling your symbols if need be. Any questions about the bedrooms? Pretty simple, right? Bathrooms. So bathrooms are like way more sophisticated today than they have been. Like if you think about like grandma's bathroom versus the bathroom at your house, probably very different, right? Today, you know, you have like back traditional bedrooms were way smaller. This one's even got the old bidet in there. So small, you walk in, you had a shower, tub combo, you know, very plain. So that's a small bathroom. This is more of like a modern bathroom of today. I would definitely prefer this bathroom, right, over the other one. It's got a nice soaker tub, windows looking out, big shower right here in the corner. Even looks like it has jets coming off this side, a toilet, cool little bowl sink on this side, medicine cabinets with a mirror. Just feels inviting and warm in there. So when you're doing your bathrooms, think about how you want the size of it. Here's a small one. So 7 by 7, that's a pretty small bathroom. This one has a shower. So this is how you would draw a shower, an X with the floor drain. Has the single vanity right here. So you only have one sink and then a toilet. Your tub and showers should have walls surrounding them when possible. And again, the door should open into the bathroom. Here's another one, a little bit bigger. This has the double vanity, has a tub, toilet. You know, the only thing missing on this one, you know, window. You probably should have a window in there for ventilation. Here's another one, a bigger one. So a his and her dressing closet area. Double vanity right here for his and her. And then, you know, some built-in shelving. This one even has like a sauna in it and a tub. Baths per house design. We'll talk about these later when we're doing our overall plan. But there are things called a 3/4 bath. So a shower, toilet, and a single sink would be a 3/4 bath, whereas the full bath is a bathtub shower combo, a toilet, and a sink. A half bath is only the toilet and the sink, has no shower or tub in it. Again, here are your sizes. So 5 by 8 is small, 10 by 10 is a little bit bigger. I would say start with like a, you know, 8 by 10 or bigger, maybe 10 by 10 for your bathroom to make sure you have enough room inside of there. When sharing bathrooms, these right here are a nice little feature to have if There's a bedroom on one side, a bedroom on another. These are called Jack and Jill bathrooms. Anybody ever heard Jack and Jill bathrooms before? So, you know, somebody in this bedroom up top could come in, be in here getting a shower, close the door so it's like private, and then somebody else can come in here, brush their teeth, get ready, close the door. You know what I mean? So it's a nice little feature to have to, you know, not feel like one person can only be in the bathroom at a time. So they're called Jack and Jill. Here's another one right here. Here's your fixtures and your sizes if you're wondering like how big a tub should be. So usually it's like 30 inches, so like 2'6" by 5 foot. Just make it 3 by 5 when you're drawing on those squares to make it easier for you. Here's a closet, water closet, sorry, toilet, water closet, some sizes right here, so on and so forth. Try to put a mirror in there. So a mirror would simply just be a rectangle on your plan. You could just point to it and say mirror. You should have a mirror, you know, in your bathroom. That should go without saying. Different types of sinks / vanities that you could put in there. Countertop, wall mounted, pedestal. Here's a countertop one. Here's a pedestal. So whichever you prefer. Obviously these provide more storage. So there's base cabinets, usually about, you know, 2'6" to 3 foot deep. So think about that when you're drawing these, about 2 to 2.5 blocks on your grid paper. Vanities, here's some sizes for you. Toilets, make sure you have enough room around your toilet to actually use it. Sometimes adding a small partition, which would be just a wall, adds extra privacy when you can. Not everybody has that. Make sure your bathroom floors are good as far as like tile. So you should have tile, you know, something that is durable, that can put up with moisture and, you know, things like that. Obviously you don't want to have rug in the bathroom. Sometimes every once in a blue moon you'll find somebody still has a rug in the bathroom. You know, you're just screaming for mold and not goodness. Like, sure, it probably feels good on your feet, but when it starts getting real steamy and nasty in there, you gotta be careful. Shower stalls, you could do prefab shower stalls. Showers today are like way more elaborate than they used to be. Like, these are like older ones, like those prefab ones, but nowadays you have like custom showers that are really, really cool. So you can do some research to put in a custom shower if you'd like for yours. You could add a jacuzzi or a whirl tub or a sauna if you want. This one, you know, this picture has like a jacuzzi here, has the toilet. You know, these are some weird fixtures. It looks a little outdated, but the idea is there. Like, make this stuff custom. Like, it's a great thing to have the time, to have the imagination, research some ideas. Make it something special when you are able to draw in here. You should have ventilation, like I said before, a window or exhaust fan. And don't worry about any of that kind of like electrical stuff. Examples right here. Okay, any questions, comments? So you will need to draw one master bedroom and a master bath, and then a regular bedroom and a regular bath for this chapter. Okay, so master bedroom, master bath, a regular bedroom, regular bath. You know, you could do the Jack and Jill bathroom, a regular bathroom, whatever you want. I just want to see some different designs because it is simple. You know, that's why you have the master bedroom, master bath, and then a regular bedroom, regular bath. Okay? All right, that would be for this chapter.